staring at the moon so blue, and turning all my thoughts to you. I was without hopes or dreams. I tried to dull an inner scream, but you saw me through. Walking on a path of fear, see your faces everywhere. As you melt as hard as stone, you take my hand to guide me home.